we catch the Gryphon in its natural habitat, chewing on its prey, the toy bone. We'd advise no one get close to the Gryphon except a zookeeper or its best friend, but I am both, so we go in for a closer look. The zookeeper goes in to pet the Gryphon. The Gryphon takes notice. As soon as the zookeeper / best friend is done petting the Gryphon, it goes back to chewing on its bone. One can't help but wonder, why is the Gryphon chewing on a dog toy? Is it because the Gryphon is a dog? Or is it because of different reasons? Does it think it's a real bone and is trying to bury it? Or does the Gryphon know it's a toy? Nevertheless, the Gryphon eagerly bites its bone. Will another pet from the best friend distract the Gryphon from its task? And it momentarily does. Will the Gryphon go back to chewing on its bone? No. The Gryphon looks in that direction, then at the best friend. What was the dog looking at? What was the Gryphon looking at while it was looking in that direction? Did it think the fireplace looked interesting? Why? The Gryphon once again returns to the bone until it begins to smell the best friend. It smells the best friend because it just wants to make sure it's his best friend. The Gryphon stops and then goes back to chewing on its bone. The Gryphon keeps its head right near the underside of the table, so that way, if it loses the bone, it could land under the table. This is a strategy provided by this soft bed thing, so that the bone will be on a soft surface if the Gryphon returns to it, if it's under the table. The zookeeper will just try to distract the Gryphon with another toy. And it works. Now that they are both in close proximity, which one will the Gryphon choose? The Gryphon chooses the bone because the bone is its prey. However, it keeps the string thingy close, so that way if it gets bored with the bone, it can move on to the string thingy. Thank you for joining us on Animal Planet.